Did you hear the latest? China's new mega projects are so mind-blowing, they've left the whole world speechless. And reportedly, even the US president couldn't believe his eyes. We're talking about projects so massive, they're literally redrawing the map of the world. From bridges that defy gravity to entire cities that look like they re-straight out of a sci-fi movie. China isn't just building for the future, they're building the future itself. So, buckle up as we dive into the incredible engineering feats that are shaking the globe. First up, let's talk about pure, raw power. When it comes to harnessing the energy of nature, China has gone bigger than anyone ever thought possible. Take the Three Gorges Dam, a structure so colossal it actually slowed the Earth's rotation. But they didn't stop there. Now, there's the Baihetan Dam, a marvel of modern engineering that stands as one of the world's largest and most advanced hydroelectric stations. These aren't just dams, they are symbols of China's absolute dominance in infrastructure, taming mighty rivers to power a nation of over 1 billion people. The sheer scale is staggering, a testament to what can be achieved when ambition meets engineering genius. Now, imagine crossing a country the size of the United States, not in days, but in a matter of hours. That's the reality in China, thanks to their high-speed rail network. It's the fastest, longest, and most extensive in the world. A web of steel and electricity connecting over 90% of its major cities. Journeys that once took an entire day are now completed in the time it takes to watch a movie. This isn't just about convenience, it's about fundamentally changing the concepts of distance and time, knitting the country together like never before, and supercharging its economic engine. While other nations are still debating plans, China has already built a transportation revolution. But China's ambition doesn't stop on the ground. They're building the cities of tomorrow, today. Forget what you know about urban living. We're talking about smart cities, where artificial intelligence is the master planner. In places like Shenzhen and Shanghai, AI algorithms manage traffic flow, optimize energy consumption, and streamline public services. These aren't just cities with cool gadgets. They are living, breathing organisms designed for maximum efficiency and sustainability. Imagine a city that anticipates your needs, where everything works seamlessly. That's the futuristic vision China is turning into a reality, setting a new global standard for what a metropolis can be. Beyond its borders, China's influence is expanding at an unprecedented rate through one of the most ambitious projects in human history, the Belt and Road Initiative. This isn't just about building a few roads or ports. It's a multi-trillion-dollar plan to create a modern-day Silk Road, with massive investments in infrastructure stretching across Asia, Africa, and Europe. By funding and building railways, pipelines, and power plants in over 150 countries, China is weaving a global network of economic and political influence. This initiative is effectively creating new trade arteries for the world economy, with China firmly at its heart and reshaping the geopolitical landscape for generations to come. While China conquers the Earth, it's also setting its sights on the heavens. The country's space program is advancing at a breakneck pace, challenging the long-held dominance of the United States. We're talking about ambitious plans for a permanent moon base, its very own space station, Tiangong, orbiting the Earth, and pioneering research into next-generation 6G technology. This isn't just about planting flags. It's a strategic race for technological supremacy. From the moon to Mars, China is in a direct competition of vision and capability, not just with NASA, but with private titans like Elon Musk's SpaceX. The final frontier just got a whole lot more crowded. So, how is the world reacting to this meteoric rise? To put it mildly, they're stunned. Global experts and analysts are calling this the new age of Chinese supremacy, acknowledging a seismic shift in the global power balance. In the West, particularly in the US, this rapid growth is being met with a mixture of awe and serious concern. Governments and industries are scrambling to understand how to compete with a nation that can execute such monumental projects with incredible speed and efficiency. The quiet discussions in boardrooms and government halls have turned into urgent public debates about the future. It's a wake-up call that the world is changing, and fast. Love it or hate it, one thing is undeniable. China's megaprojects are redefining the future for all of us. From the depths of the oceans to the vastness of space, these incredible feats of engineering are not just changing landscapes. They're changing the very rules of the game. They represent a bold declaration of ambition, a vision of the world where the impossible becomes possible. As we witness this incredible transformation, the single biggest question remains: can the rest of the world keep up? Or are we all just living in an era being built and defined by China? What do you think about these incredible projects? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this journey into the future, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another deep dive into the forces shaping our world. See you in the next one.